What's going on, everybody, and welcome back to the channel. Sorry I've been kind of MIA for a while. I haven't really had a whole lot of new content to upload. Hopefully that'll be changing soon. Obviously, it's getting warmer out, so we'll be doing hopefully a lot more to my wife's wide body. But I wanted to talk about this Amazon car cover that I got. It's an Amazon special. It was 105 bucks. If you've watched my previous videos, you know that I ran this big, bulky OEM all-weather car cover. It's made by Cover King. Really an incredible cover. Obviously, it's OEM for the Charger. It fits perfect. But the cars stay in the garage. They don't see rain. They don't sit outside, so I didn't need that massive all-weather car cover. So I figured, heck, I'll just try a cheap Amazon special indoor car cover. Like I said, this other car cover is just massive and bulky, and it's hard to kind of store. It takes a little while to take off just because it's so thick. And I just wanted something that I could remove really fast and easily, and store it in the trunk. Obviously, as you can tell, this thing is just huge. It's really hard to store, and I just didn't need anything like this, this extravagant. If I knew better, I would have just bought the one that I bought for my wife's wide body, which is a lot less thick, and easier to store and take off on and off, and that's what I wanted. I didn't need this. If you've watched my previous video, you know that this is an excellent cover. Like I said, I didn't need an all-weather one. The cars don't go outside. So here we are with this Amazon special. So I'm going to talk about this real quick and let you know if it's worth it or not. All right, so let's take a look at the cover. Here it is. Fits fantastic. I only have one complaint about this. This is an excellent $100 Amazon special for all of you guys who store your cars indoors. Do not use this do not use this car cover outdoors. It is extremely thin. As you can see, it's actually so thin it's see-through. You can see the stripes right there. So like I said, this is strictly for the guys that keep their vehicles indoors. I highly recommend this one. There's obviously this choice as well, which is much thinner than that one, which I used to run. This thing, unfortunately, I don't have a picture of what it looked like off the car, but it's the size of a bed sheet. It's extremely stretchy, and it's extremely easy to store. That is exactly what I wanted. It does fit the wide body as well, so those of you who have a wide body, it will fit that. It's extremely stretchy, so definitely no doubt it's going to fit the wide body. It covers just about every square inch of the vehicle, except for a little bit down here. It doesn't cover the entire wheel fully, but to be honest with you, neither does the OEM one. So if you have this cover, or you're going to buy this cover, your car is going to be stored indoors. I don't see, any need to cover the entire wheel, unless it's in an extremely dusty environment. But even then, like I said, the OEM one doesn't even cover it fully anyway. The only con I have are these hooks. So I believe it's got 7 hooks right here. Plastic, but they're all over this cover, and when you go and put this cover on, it just rubs the entire car. The hooks do. So I have a solution for that. What I did was I just took the hook and cut it right there. So if I ever wanted to utilize the hooks, I can just slide the hook into this band, and we have hooks again. So that is my simple solution. Like I said, I just don't want the hooks rubbing on the paint as I'm putting the cover on. So I just I'm gonna finish cutting them off. I just want to leave them on so I can show you the hooks. But yeah, like I said, incredible $100 Amazon purchase right here. I'm extremely happy with it. It feels really nice. It's extremely soft, and it fits, like I said, it fits perfect. So guys, I would highly recommend you save your money. That one was like double the price. That one I paid, this one right here. Actually, both of them are the same price. I paid almost $400 for one of these, versus $106 And like I said, for you indoor storage guys, this is all you need right here. Save your money, you know, spend the extra $200 and buy some cool mods. If I knew better, I would have bought this before I spent $800 between these two covers. So is what it is. You know, like I said, these are both Covercraft. These are arguably probably the best covers you can buy. But these cards don't see any abuse. They don't, you know, they just sit in here. So this $100 Amazon special will do just fine. Hopefully this helps you guys, gives you a different option, much cheaper option. They do make, you know, name brand stretchy indoor covers like this, but you're going to be spending $300-400. So I don't see the need. As far as longevity goes, I don't know, guys. I just put this thing on today, but you know, like I said, it's really nice quality. The stitching is it's pretty thick stitching, so I don't see any problem. And it's so stretchy. It's not stretching at the seams at all. I mean, look at all that extra I have there. So I don't foresee anything ripping at the seams at all. So I highly recommend this, guys. Again, save your money. If you want to get OEM, but this is all you need if you store your vehicle inside. Do not use this outside. You'll be extremely disappointed. So guys, there's that. Like I said, spend your money on other cooler mods. So with that, we will catch you on the next one.